The stadium is evolving fast, and today, we're witnessing another major step forward. The focus is once again on the incredible progress, especially the compression ring, which continues to move ahead at an impressive pace. Conditions look perfect, and everything feels set for a key moment. The long-awaited section is ready, and all signs point towards something big happening. So let's get started with today's exciting Camp Nou update. A key moment of progress appears here, as new supports for the ceramic llamas have now been installed along the lower brackets. This marks one of the first zones where this important development step is clearly visible. This progress is crucial, as it signals that cladding work could begin soon. Even though some upper elements are still pending, the connection between different stadium sections is now moving forward. At the corner near the compression ring area, a major development is the arrival of a massive steel segment, commonly referred to as a phalange. This large component is a key part of the roof structure and marks an important step forward. Alongside it, a uniquely shaped steel element has also been delivered. Unlike the usual radial beams, this piece has a distinct design, suggesting a specialized structural role within the compression ring system. A key operation in this area is the lifting of a radial beam, which has been on site for some time. Meanwhile, nearby work continues steadily, with crews handling smaller structural supports for the future façade slats, using lifting platforms at different levels. In the north goal corner, multiple large steel segments are already positioned and ready for installation, with a prepared gap above clearly indicating where the next piece will be placed, confirming that the next phase of compression ring assembly is about to begin. At the north goal corner, progress becomes even more visible with the installation of ceramic llamas. Several colored panels are already in place, and another one is being lifted during the recording. The visual transformation is progressing beautifully, with colors and patterns starting to define the stadium's exterior. With multiple sections ready, faster progress is expected in the coming days. Across this section, anchors and guidelines are being carefully aligned, showing detailed preparation progress. Workers are ensuring everything is perfectly positioned before continuing with further installations. This stage is critical, and once completed, it will unlock faster progress in llama installation across multiple areas. In the middle section of the north goal, sandwich panel installation continues to show steady progress. Workers are positioning new panels while preparing upper levels for the next of development. Nearby sections are also progressing toward llama installation, with anchors already in place and ready for the next step. In the Tribuna area, progress continues across multiple levels simultaneously. Sandwich panels have reached the first overhang, while upper sections are still advancing. Concrete work is actively progressing, with pumps supplying material to higher levels. At the same time, finishing work and protective coatings are being applied, pushing this area further toward completion. To wrap things up, today's update highlights strong and consistent progress across the entire site. From the impressive pillar lift to the ongoing installation of llamas and sandwich panels, every section is moving forward. With activity increasing in multiple zones, the pace of progress is clearly building. The next updates promise even more exciting developments. So stay tuned.